Okay, so I decided it probably really needs a wooden knob. I think it's going to look an awful lot nicer. Why put in all the effort to make something like this and then just leave this silly knob on there? So I pulled a couple of different options of woods together. So let me zoom in so we can see those a little bit better, and then work our way through and pick which one we want to use. So I think I have a couple cool choices here. So this is Gabon ebony. Ebony, black pepper, I think that makes sense. I think that would look really nice. I think that's a good option. This is some sort of stuff I had from a pen blank. I don't even know what kind of wood it is, but it's okay. I don't love it. I don't think it's dark enough. This is walnut. I think the walnut looks nice with the two different types of cherry here. This is bubinga. I think that also looks nice, you know, complements these colors, and yet it's different enough. And then finally, this is a piece of cherry from the same log as these guys right here. I think, really honestly, I think my three favorites are these. I think I want to go cherry. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to sort of pick a size, mill this up a little more, drill a hole in it, and then I'll put this on the lathe and then turn it down so I can glue it inside of here. Once it's glued inside, then we'll shape it. So we'll do that in a couple of steps. So here I have a 5/16 drill bit chucked up in my drill press. What I want to do is drill a hole so this guy can be completely inset down there. So I'm just going to mark that depth. I'm going to set the drill press depth stop so we go just so the bottom of the cut is just past there. And now I'm just going to get a measurement off of the diameter here, so that I can use that in checking the diameter as I turn this guy down on the lathe, so that it will just hopefully just pop right in there and get a nice snug fit when I glue it. Okay, so here we are back at the lathe. So I found a bolt with the exact same thread pattern as the rod on the pepper mechanism. So that guy's in my Jacob's chuck. I've got this guy threaded on nice and tight. This is tapped in, it's just being held in the Morse taper, which isn't that secure, so I'll probably tighten that up as we go if it loosens up. But and I'm going to turn this on a relatively high speed with a carbide tool. Oh, coming loose already. Let's actually bring the tailstock up. All right, now we'll goop this up with a generous amount of super glue. So I try to get down just so the face of the wooden blank is flush with the end of the insert, and we'll just try to be patient and let that set. Okay, so step one here, we got to make sure this guy's not frozen. Gonna unthread. That's all good. Bring my tailstock up. Just a little snug, not too much. Start by slowly rounding. So I pulled off the diameter I want to match the top of the top. So I'm going to turn the base down to that size. I think I'm good with that. I'm going to put a little bit of chamfer on the top. That feels pretty good in the hands. A little bit of a chamfer, and then I'll sand it up. I guess that's a little bit more of a round than a chamfer, so let's just sort of bring that up. All right, by now you know the drill. Shellac. Oh, that's gonna look nice. So here we are. It's all done. 2 coats of shellac, 3 coats of polyurethane. Looks great. Let's see how it looks on the peppermill. I don't know about you, but I think that looks a lot better than the metal knob. Let's give her a twist. Beautiful. Let me zoom in and let's look at the final result.